If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Well, hi guys, Larry here. What's up? Well, yep, we're going to do some Lamy Nibs exchange here. So this is the 1.5 Lamy, and this is a broad Lamy, I think. Yep. So we got a 1.5 and a broad, and we're going to change them out. Now, I can't find my Scotch tape because I never can find anything. Isn't that right, Mr. Announcer?
Yes.
I could lay it down right there, and I'll be darned, I can lose it. So that's live, so on we go. Ho, 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 here we go. Another day, another dollar. Here we go. So, I think we're going to do the 1.5 this time. All right. And I'll check it out one more time. 1.5. And this one has a fine nib on it. Yep. So we'll take that little jewel off. And we're going to take some of this tape. Like I said, I don't have my little Scotch tape. So we'll have to use the bigger Scotch tape. That should be okay. Tape it on right there, and then I'll pull it right off. Wasn't that simple? Yes. Now, I will take it off. Alright, so I got the black fine nib, as you saw, that was on here. So now I'm going to put on the 1.5. Okay, cool. Just get it like that, and make sure it's on there. There we go. All right. And then we're going to ink it up. So I better put this little creature away, because if I don't, I know that I will lose it. And you know I'll lose it. Okay. Got my Quebecers over here for later action. Got everything ready to go. All right, here we go. I'll just put this in here for right now. I do have little boxes for my nibs, but they're across the room, and I don't want to have to get up right now and do that. Oh, the pain, but the pain is good. So, I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull out some Lamy ink for this. That's what I think I'm going to. No, you know what? I'm going to stick to the plan. Robert Orster Graphic. Wasn't that the plan? Stick to it. That's right. Stick to it. Which I rarely do, don't I?
You have your moments.
Don't I? Here we go, folks. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Oh, hello, my darling. Hello, my baby. Hello, my ragtime girl. Here we go. And that's filled up pretty good there. And I'm just going to empty it out because I want to. And I'm just playing with it right now. Checking it out. Okay. That's going to be nice and wet. Okay. All right. Put that over there. Let me get my Tombow River paper out. My favorite paper in the world. Okay, folks, I was going to use this pen, but the problem why the nib wouldn't stay on, well, first of all, is the kind of the feed. First of all, as you can see, this has been broken off, the very tip of it, which I forgot to change out a long time ago. And it's too far down, so I'm going to have to pull it up so I can get the nib on it. So, no biggie. I have another feed. I just got a different pen, okay? The Safari, Lamy Safari, yep. And we're just going to put that on this one, which I've already done and inked it up. So let's get to writing. Now this one has a 1.5 nib on it. So we're going to see how that little fella does. And we're going to use some Robert Oyster graphic ink. And look at my inky fingers. Yeah. Now that's an ink guy, right? Right. It does lay down the ink, for sure. Do a few S's here. Reverse. Sure does. Yep. Downstroke and cross stroke. See the difference on that cross stroke? Yep. It's okay nib. They're not my favorite nibs because to me it's kind of like scratchy on the ends, like they want to stick to paper, but that's me because the way I write. It has nothing to do with the nib. But what I do like about it, it does lay down the ink like I like. So will I like this nib? You know, I'm sure I will because it's a nice wet nib and it does what I like it to do. So I am going to have to meet it halfway and say I love it. Okay, good. So there you have it, folks. The Lamy 1.5, very easy to change out. And if you want a thicker downstroke and a thinner cross stroke, then the 1.5 Lamy could be for you. If not, then don't get it. Easy as that. So lots of peace and lots of love to each and every one of you. Be kind to a stranger, my friend. At least to one stranger. Be kind. And as always, don't text and don't drive. Later. Bye-bye.